There are two eyeReports you can use to work your patient and insurance accounts receivable. eyeReport number 1030 lists the patient's receivable, and number 1035 lists the insurance accounts receivable. These will not show you the aging of the receivable. To get that, use the OfficeMate Receivable reports. But these reports will show you balances and the patient's and insurance and the fee slip numbers that owe you the money with greater detail. You can also easily search for age receivable by using the date filters. To get your patient receivables, open eyeReport number 1030. And on the Patient Open Fee Slip Balances tab, click the Refresh Data button to get the latest OfficeMate data. The total receivable for all patients is listed in the green total cell. There are many ways to filter the receivables to get what you want. In the upper left, you can filter on the receivables by location, by provider, by recorded by, staff name, or product type. For example, if you only want to find your receivables based on frame sales, click the product type frames. The details change based on the product type you choose. If you click the plus sign next to the patient name, you can see the patient age, whether they're in collection and cash only, their phone, their cell, their last office visit date, the fee slip number, and the amount, if any, that is still outstanding. If you want to find all receivables due before a certain date, for example 90 days old, in the fee slip date column, select Date Filter, Before, and select the date 90 days before your current date. For example, 6/1/2013. Your receivable of $27.99.60 is now related to all fee slips before that date. Click the View Fee Slips to see all the fee slips that make up the balance and search for one that has a balance. For example, in this case, Mary Alderson has $85 due on fee slip number 35436. Continue through all the names. The Balance with Address tab works exactly the same, except now you have the patient's address and phone number and email address. One important point to know, the balances due are based on the fee slip date. If the balance first went to insurance and then 3 months later was transferred to the patient, this is not reflected in the aging. Only the OfficeMate aging reports can account for that. eyeReport number 1095 works the same except for insurance balances. Click Refresh Data to get the latest data. Use the fee slip date filter. Click the buttons to view receivables and insurance companies and their details, and find the fee slip numbers that still have balances. Here, Mary Benson has $95 still owed on fee slip number 33891 from insurance company Aetna. Mary Chuck Radio has $115 still owed. Continue down and find the fee slip numbers that have balances. Should you have any questions about this or any other eyeReport, don't hesitate to contact eyeReport support.